had a friend that y'all love dearly, but she's so problematic that you just couldn't give her all the love that she truly deserved? That's this wig right here. Let's get into it, okay? Hi pretties, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from that intro, we are here today to do yet another wig review. First, I want to give a big and major shout out and thank you to the company that's always sending me the most fly and most beautiful units. That's samsbeauty.com. Their link is down below where you can purchase this unit. Their link is down below where you can purchase this unit and so many other units. Okay, so let's hop right into the video. This wig is a part of the What Lace Collection by Sensational. I'm sure at this point you all are very familiar with this collection. It ain't nothing new. This has to be about my 4th or 5th unit from the What Lace Collection. I keep finding myself coming back to this collection because let me tell you, she has a lot of good qualities. So before we get to the negative side, let's brag on sis a little bit, all right? So first of all, her name, the What Lace Collection. She lives up to that name. This is definitely, it's not an HD lace. You know, the lace ain't invisible. The lace ain't Houdini. But, you know, the lace is, she's there, but she's not really there. You get what I'm saying? And when you melt it down right, this lace is nice. This lace is nicer than lace units that I have that have human hair on them, that I spent a lot more coin on. So it is a nice lace unit. This is what I think me and so many other people love about the collection. Sensational, you got it right with the lace. I'm not even going to hold you up. You got it amazing with the lace. Okay, I love that. Next thing is it is a big head friend, kind of friendly, okay? Now, sometimes when it's a good lace, a big issue I have is it's not fitting me all the way ear to ear tab, or it's not fitting in the nape. Now, it could have just a tad bit more space, but I will take into consideration that I got a watermelon sized head. It's okay. It's fine. I'm a big girl, baby. So it's bound to happen. So if it was just a little bit more big, I would be much more happier, but I will give it that good star. All right. Moving on to what it is that I don't like about this unit. It's simply the hair. And it's simply the hair on every single one of the units from the What Lace Collection. Now, the What Lace Collection units are not cheap. They're on the higher end of the synthetic, girls, okay? So you're going to spend a little bit more money. What I feel you're primarily paying for is lace. But I have had units where the lace was not of such high quality, but I will say I've had a better human hair, that human hair, synthetic fiber, whatever type of blend that they have going on. And the unit is able to look nice straight out of the box. And I'm able to sleep in the unit. I'm able to play in the unit. And the unit looks great. This ain't your girl, okay? She ain't the one that you want to do all that with. Now, when I first pulled her out of the box, I noticed that the unit was thick. And I'm not sure if I mentioned her name. Kiyari. All right, the unit was super duper thick. I'm talking Chrissy, the one who ain't gonna never marry Jim Jones. Hairline thick. And I was like, okay, this is a lot of hair. Like Oprah, when she wore that real full hair in the 80s and 90s. It was a really, really thick wig. The good part about it and the strange part about it is even though the hair quality I can tell is not that great, I was able to flat iron it and I was able to get it to this more like realistic, like natural, you know, natural black girl. Well, not natural black girl, but I just relaxed my hair, black girl type of hair texture. And it's not so Oprah Winfrey thick. Now, even though it's able to do that, the strange part is, look at this. You know, I'm just sitting here, and this is not, I know you're probably like, okay, she dragging a little bit. It ain't that bad. That's because I just brushed it 2 minutes ago. And I just feel with straight hair like this that don't have no, you know, not even so much as a little bit, it got a tiny bit of a bump on the end. I shouldn't have to be brushing it every 2 minutes. I should be able to leave my brush at home and go to brunch and this wig be okay. And then I have it up in a ponytail. So it's not even, all of the hair is not down, but I still have to brush it. So that's not a big pro in my book, of course. So that when it comes down to this collection, Sensationnel really just has to work on getting a better quality hair fiber, because everything else is popping. Everything else is nice. I got this laid down with my Gotta Be Glue gel and a little bit of the hairspray. Got my baby hairs, you know, kind of semi-popping today. I did a little something, nothing. But I think that the hairline looks great. The wigs are great. I love the wigs. Some of my most favorite wigs recently have came out of this collection, do not get me wrong. But the hair quality for what you're paying is not that high. So I definitely suggest this wig, these wigs, if you want just a new look. These wigs photograph amazing. Let me show y'all a photo of another wig I got from this collection. Just bomb, just sexy for no reason. So if you are having a photo shoot, you want to take some bomb pictures, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, this is a wig you want to have. You want something to switch up. You're going on a hot and spicy date night, something like that, or maybe a little weekend getaway. You can get away with this wig. But if you want something to wear the whole work week, I don't know about that one, sis. You're going to have to really just put this wig on for a day, rock it for a day, and then put it back into your collection and treat it like one of those ones, okay? So overall, I have to give this 3 out of 5 stars. I wish I could give it more, but I can't. You know, I always got to be honest with y'all. Anyways, y'all, let me know what you feel about the Sensationnel What Lace Collection wigs, and if you will be picking up this wig, Kiyari. I gave y'all my full rundown and scope on the wig, and I really hope that it helps in your purchasing or not, whichever one you decide to do. Remember to like, comments. I almost feel y'all, I'm on my labor ball because I just did a video about what's in my diaper bag. But remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay pretty.